Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 7 for January Patreon for 2024. This is for D&D miniatures, Warhammer proxies, and figures as well. If you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And there's a Patreon that I have not covered. Please leave a comment and we'll take a look. It might be in the next video. So we are doing Flesh of Gods. Basically, if you're into more Dark Souls type miniatures and also D&D of a darker variety, this is actually might be the perfect miniatures for you. So we're looking at January post and the Spectral Reckoning. Uh, we got frame diorama. Looks like one of those Castlevania ones that we see over here. That looks actually pretty good. That's airbrushed right there. Painted. That's a lot of work to get that done. The heroes and NPCs. We got Shade Blade Duelist, Lore Master, Reverent, Death Domain, Dusk Domain. And we got your large enemies. We got the Ghost of Unchained Hatred, Crypt Keeper, Morgbandi, the Ambrose, the Enforcer, Phantom Dragon, and a Gargoyle. Next one, Medium Enemies, Ghost of Punished, Necromantic Scholar, Void Banshee, actually pretty good looking Banshee, Gargoyle, Gargonoids, Ghost of Howling, Evil Landlord. Okay. You have your bust and your throwbacks. This is a pretty cool Night Walker. Sad that night walkers and they're like all black. They're just shadows. So yeah, that's it for Flesh of Gods. Next is White Werewolf Tavern. Another very good print. We are doing Cultist, I believe, for this year. For this, so we have Alra, the Last Brethren. So we got a Necromancer Cultist. Undead's coming over to grab her, and this was a Hand of Abomination. That is pretty cool. Having that. You have Roll Dancing with Death, Cultist Girl Set. You know, there are some cultists out there, but these are pretty good. These are like the Snakehead cultists. So if you like the Yanti God, I forgot the Yanti God's name is, but yeah, this would be pretty good. You have the Firehead cultist. This one looks more like the ones in Elder Scroll. You have the Dark Creatures. Set, and you get the bust. That'll be it for the White Wolf for it. Next is Nom Nom figures. Oh, the links for these will be down in the bottom for you guys to take a look. So we're gonna get, this is last month, this month. These are your bonus figures. Xenomorph, Snorax, Lady Mara from fucking man, Bloodborne, I believe. Yeah, these Bloodborne, James and Gandalf. So we have a Chibi Xenomorph that's already released. This is from Food Wars. Right, I had the female than the guy. This one's from Fire Emblem. Forgot which one, but you guys can figure it out. I have an actual figure of her bending over with her butt sticking out. Genos. These are the bonus one you can get for this month. And a Venom Glenpool. Or Venom Pool, they call it Glenham. Uh, but yeah, so still haven't released is Gandalf and I think James and Snorax and Lady Maria. Next is Bite the Bullet. We are having dwarves this month, I believe. That's a throwback for that. I think there's a video for this. Here we go. Bite the bullet. You know, a lot of these are like $10. They're pretty good. Dwarves. So we have dwarves that's coming in. We have dwarves on Griffin. We have a lot of freaking dwarves, telling you the truth. You got some female dwarves as well. We need a lot of more halfling and gnomes. I have too many dwarves, orcs, and humans, and thiefling. I need halflings and gnomes. I need a tremendous amount of them in my game, I would say. But this looks pretty damn good. Maybe dwarves. Your cleric dwarves looks like it. Your spellcaster looks like it. No. Not this. Well, you have a spellcaster that have a dwarf that carries hammer as well. I'll say, but you know, this was pretty good. Griffin, a dwarf on a griffin looks like the one in the WoW and Ironforge. And there's your ammunition. That looks pretty damn good. And your pinup. But yeah, dwarves. I have a lot of small little dwarves, chainmail dwarves I need to paint. We already painted some in the channel before. Station Forge, Warhammer proxies. A lot of people are looking forward to a lot of these. There are still more coming, just letting you know. This is not all of it that they're going to post. They're going to post a lot more by the end of the month. So if you're looking for an army that you can 3D print, you can do it. This looks like Imperials. Asterian. I forgot the freaking name of these things are. There's too many of them. You got your ship. This I need to get clear resin to print that and that. Unless I heat up some bottles and shape it. Their version of Tyranids. I believe there are Tyranids that have guns in the back of their thing. I know there's a bigger one that does that too, but you know, Tyranids. And there's this guy. I don't know what he's. This probably from the Mechanicus, I believe. Mars, I don't know. This was from last month, the big ass orc thing. But like I said, there's gonna be a lot more of their posting, so you really do want to check it daily or by daily. They have a lot more coming out for it. Hell's Creator. We have Figure. We have, this is the third model. I think it's from Witcher. This is Trish. I think this is Trish. And this one is from Mass Effect. I forgot her name was. I haven't played Mass Effect in so long. And we have Gale from Baldur's Gate 3. Ashley loves Gale and Asterion. I have no idea why, but we have Gale. You guys can have Gale. In February we'll have these two. Alright, 3D Wicked. I don't think they have anything else for January that's coming out. They actually finally sent me all of this for this month. For some reason they're really lacking on stuff, so you may want to check later on, or we will check it later on for you guys, the progress of them right now. But right now they just released the remainder of the December files for it. This might be the last one for this video. Bulk Mancer Sculpts. This is the past. This is recent one that's coming out. Or is it those current? That doesn't matter. This is if you get 1,000 Patreon project, we get Minithera. We have a January promo of Diablo's girl. I'll paint her skin like purple to pink or reddish to pink. Accord release. I have no idea where she's from. Mizora from Baldur's Gate. Bust. January. +3 models and a bonus. Don't know the 3000 mouse scope. So yeah, if you're interested. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.